I'm gonna make sure we get right into this. Let's do it.
Holy shit, that's Chris from Kenya. Shit.
Hey, he's about it, he waved.
Glorious days upon you, my boy. You already know. Trickle Charger's honor. It's Monday.
The day is upon you. Do you feel?
Hang on, I lost the cartoon thing, the toon car, the jitterbug. I lost the car jitterbug. Hang on, I gotta find it. Mayday, mayday, I have lost the jitterbug. Tune for you, bud. Where is it? Gets tuned, loses AccessPort. Don't worry, I find. Behold. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you are new here, hit the button, do the thing, stop messing around. We're not even gonna do an introduction. Today is the day, boys. If you guys don't know, we just did a Vortex XL and all kinds of stuff to my GTI. I'll link the videos up here somewhere. You can go check out the little made a playlist and stuff. Go check that out. Catch up, okay? Then come back to here because today is the first start, baby. The sensors, the map sensors are coming tomorrow. They were supposed to come today, but FedEx effed me. And those are showing up tomorrow, but we have our base map, so we can go start that. We can burp the coolant, because I still have to do that. And we'll go for a little, let it get up to temp, double check everything, maybe a couple little revs here and there, but boys, today's the day. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is so weird. I've been waiting so long. Oh, bro, you ready for that EQT sauce, brother? Oh, baby, I don't know if we're ready. All right, let's stop fucking around. Step 1, open the door. Step 2, don't leave your windows open. You'll get leaves. Step 3, sit in car and remember all the good times. Step 4, flap, lay her down because she was getting a little spicy in here. Step 5, figure out where the F you did. Oh, it's right here. Insert the jitterbug. Are we ready for step 6? Look at all the pollen in here. I accidentally left the windows cracked. Oh god. Oh god. There's pollen everywhere. Maybe what we do, because we can't do any data logging today. So, oh yeah, I'll tell you now. So what I'll do in this video is I'll do a first start. We'll get it warmed up, do everything, the stuffs. And then the next video will be the first drive. We can get a first rip, because we got to do some data logging. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. I'll figure out what we should do for videos and stuff. I don't want to data log. I don't want to do a bunch of videos like all data logs and stuff. We'll maybe just do like 2 and then go to straight like the first day ripping and some reactions and stuff. But anyway, let's get into it. I'm not gonna make you watch me download this tune, so we'll just do that. Initiating upload sequence. Progress is being made. 77%. I also just remembered this brings back a little bit of stress because now I find out whether or not doing the high pressure fuel pump internals will go successfully or unsuccessfully. I totally forgot about it until just now. I was like, ooh. Holy shit. Are we about to start this right now? Oh, I'm a little nervous, baby. Are we about to start this right now? This is make or break. What if I start it and it goes bad? Fuck it, we ain't scared. I don't know where to put the mic. Fire in the hole. Literally full of shit. Hey, there she is. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, and it's Catless, too. I forgot about that. Yes! Oh, bro, today's the best day of my life. All right, we gotta let it run for a minute. We got a bunch of lights on the dash, so we gotta let that settle. I give you the Vortex XL GTI, powered by only the finest sauce, of course. I'm so hyped. Holy shit. She's back. Let's go. Also, I'm not sure. I left the cap off the coolant, just like lightly unscrewed for quite a while, so I'm not sure if we're really gonna have to burp it that much. It also has literally been sitting for straight up like probably 5 weeks, so I don't imagine it to run fantastic off the rip here. Do I drive now? How does this thing work? 6 gears. The truck only has 5. All right, this is idling a little funky, but I gotta go for a little test drive. I gotta just make sure there's no leaks. I gotta make sure nothing sounds weird. So I'm gonna do a little loop-de-loop, boys. We gotta clear some of these lights too. Got every goddamn light in the dash on. Oh, the brakes, bro. The brakes are so bad. They're so crusty. This poor baby. Oh, wet leaf to the effing face. Yes! Oh, I also had the battery unhooked for a while too. I forgot about that. All the lights are off now. Cool, that's good. I really just want to get some normal driving in, see what happens. Really clean off the brakes. She's been sitting for so long. That's so much louder. I forgot we did the cow's pipe too. Oh my god. Yes! Let's go! Really is, I have to take into consideration that I changed so many different things at one time. That's like, there's bound to be something wrong. So it's just a matter of finding boost leaks, small shit like that, you know. I'm just gonna go easy today, just run it through everything, and we'll put the sensors in tomorrow, and then we'll try again and see what happens. We'll look back. All right, bros. I know this is gonna be a short video. Well, we got the first start. Let's go! That's a win. She's running. I definitely might have something boost related going on because I also don't have the sensors in. I was kind of an idiot and didn't wait, but I couldn't wait. Do you blame me? Go down in the comments, bro. Are you hyped? Let's go. I like how it's running like shit and I'm like, yeah. I'm just glad it's running, bro. Got the brakes dusted off. Got her out, got some fluids through her. I know it's at least running. That's a start. Alrighty, bros. I hope you're hyped. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's short. I know it was stupid. We got a few problems to diagnose, but that's part of the game. You change a bunch of shit at one time, and that's kind of the game you play, you know? Clear these off a little more. I hope you guys are hyped. I will catch you in the next one. I'll put the sensors in. I'll check it out. I'll see what's going on so we can have a good next video. That way we can actually rip and we don't have to keep messing with shit. But stay tuned, boys. Just keep driving, keep it real. Your boy will catch.